Introduction to MS Small Basic. Introduction. A program is a set of instructions that a computer can understand. To write a set of instructions, you use a programming language. Small Basic is a programming language that makes computer programming extremely approachable, easy, and fun. Small Basic uses English-like words and mathematical symbols to write programs. Every instruction in Small Basic is called a statement. It follows certain set of rules called syntax. Components of Small Basic. Let's learn about different components of Small Basic. Title bar. It contains the name of the program on which you are working. Toolbar. It contains various commands. These commands can be operated by clicking the buttons on the toolbar. Editor. It is an area where you type your Small Basic program. Help area. It displays the tips and hints while you type the code in the editor window. Starting Small Basic. Follow these steps to open Small Basic. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Scroll down the list and select Microsoft Small Basic. The main screen of Small Basic appears. Writing a Small Basic program. Follow these steps to write a program in Small Basic. 1. Open Small Basic. 2. Click on the editor window and start typing from line number 1. While typing program, a pop-up window appears called IntelliSense. You can select the appropriate command by navigating through the list. Press the Enter key to insert the highlighted command. Step 3. After typing the code in line 1, press the Enter key. Line number gets incremented to 2. While typing, Help area provides useful information. Terminology of Small Basic. Let's learn about some concepts of Small Basics. Variables. A variable is a location in a computer memory that is used to store data temporarily. There are some rules that need to be followed while naming a variable. The first character of the variable name should be a letter followed by any letter, digit, or underscore character. For example, B, B2 and B-4 are some valid names. String variable names should have $ symbol as the last character. Name $, and $1 are some examples. Types of variable. There are two types of variables. 1. Numeric variable. A numeric variable holds only the numeric value. Numeric variables are further divided into the following. Integer type. This type holds only integer values. It does not contain any decimal point. 56, 78 and minus 9876 are some examples. Floating type. It holds a value that contains a decimal point. 78.98 and minus 54.8 are some examples. 2. String variable. A string variable contains a list of characters. A string is always enclosed within double quotes. Within these quotes, it can be either a number or characters. Basic and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are some examples. Constants. Constants are the variables whose value do not change during the execution of a program. It is of two types. Numeric constant. A numeric constant contains integer values. It can either be positive or negative. 224, minus 7.4 and plus 12 are some examples. String constant. A string constant contains a sequence of characters 0 to 9 and special symbols like percentage, question mark, hashtag, etc. within a double quotes. RAM and plus 61432 are some examples. Operators. Operators are the symbols used to perform various operations on variables or constants. There are three types of operators present in small basic. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators perform arithmetic operations. Let's learn about various arithmetic operators. Operator, function, example. Plus, it performs addition of the numbers x plus y. Minus, it performs subtraction of numbers x minus y. Star, it performs multiplication of numbers x into y. Divide, it performs division of numbers x by y. Exponential, it calculates the exponential value x raised to the power y. Relational operators. Relational operators compare two values and return true 1 or false 0. The given table shows various relational operators. Operator, function, example, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. Result, greater than. It checks if the first value is greater than the second value. X is greater than y. True. Less than. It checks if the first value is less than the second value. X is less than y. False. Equal to. It checks if the both values are equal to each other. X is equal to y. False. Greater than or equal to. It checks if the first value is greater than or equal to the second value. X is greater than or equal to y. True. Less than or equal to. It checks if the first value is less than or equal to the second value. X is less than or equal to y. False. Non-equality. It checks the non-equality of two values. X is not equal to y. True. Logical operators. Logical operators combine two or more relational expressions and return the result as true or false. Following are various logical operators. Operator, purpose, example, result. And it returns true only if both the relational expressions are true. Z is greater than X and Z is greater than Y. True. X is greater than Z and Y is less than X. False. Or, it returns true if at least one of the relational expressions is true. Y is greater than X or Y is greater than Z. True. X is equal to Z or Y is equal to Z. False. Keywords. Keywords are the reserved words in programming. These words cannot be used as variable names or constants. The meanings of these words are already specified. There are 14 keywords in Small Basic: while, go to, if, step, sub, then, to, for, else, else if, and for, and if, and while, and sub. Statements: right line and right. Right line statement is used to write a line of text in a window. The text written within the double quotes is printed as it is. It shifts the pointer to the next line after printing the message. Right statement works very similar to right line. It makes the pointer stay on the same line after printing the message. Read and read number. Read statement reads the line of text from the window. It only takes string value as input. Read number statement reads the numeric value. It can be either an integer or floating type. Math library functions. Small Basic provides math library that contains various functions to perform mathematical calculations. Following are the different functions used in Small Basic: function, purpose, example, result. Math.min, n1, n2. It compares two numbers and returns the smallest of the two numbers. Math.min, 10, 5, 5. Math.max, n1, n2. It compares two numbers and returns the greatest of the two numbers. Math.max, 10, 5, 10. Math.remainder, n1, n2. It gives the remainder when two numbers are divided. Math.remainder, 10, 5, 0. Math.abs, n. It gives the absolute value of a number. Math.abs, minus 42.23, 42.23. Math.pi. It returns the value of pi. Math.pi, 31.4159. Rules to be followed. Following rules should be followed while working in Small Basic. All keywords and commands must be spelled correctly. If these are misspelled, errors will be displayed. Small Basic is not case sensitive. For example, right line or right line are considered to be the same. Small Basic ignores spaces. Saving a program. We can save a program in Small Basic for future use. Follow these steps to save a program. 1. Click on the Save button present on the file group of the toolbar. A Save As dialog box appears. 2. Select the location where you want to save the file. 3. Enter the file name in the File Name box. 4. Click on the Save button. Executing a program. To see the output of a program, you need to execute the program. Click on the Run button on the toolbar. You will see the output of the program in the command window. Opening an existing program. Follow these steps to open an already saved program. 1. Click on the Open button in the file group of the toolbar. An open dialog box appears. 2. Select the file and click on the Open button.